We all know that getting a major IT certification can be a serious grind. But what if there was a way to significantly speed up that process without cutting corners?
That's the million-dollar question for any IT professional. It seems SPOTO has an interesting answer with their accelerated training for the Cisco Certified Specialist Enterprise Core. They've managed to shrink the traditional 8-day model, which is usually 5 days of class and 3 days of self-study, into a total of just 6 days, and that includes taking the actual ENCOR 350-401 exam.
Wow. So that's about 33% faster. It sounds like they're packing a lot into that short time, covering key enterprise tech like virtualization, network assurance, and automation.
Exactly. For a busy IT professional, this means you can gain the critical skills needed for modern enterprise networks with less time away from your job. That's a huge advantage for career development.
I see. So, in just 6 days, you could walk away with a major Cisco certification. That's incredibly appealing. What are the core technologies you'd actually be mastering in that week?
Well, the curriculum goes deep into the things that really matter today. You're learning the mechanics of Cisco's SD Access solution, getting hands-on with configuring and verifying data path virtualization, and even learning how to interpret REST API responses using tools like Cisco DNA Center and RESTconf.
Right. So these aren't just theoretical concepts. These are the practical skills for managing today's complex networks.
That's the key. Mastering these means you can effectively deploy and manage virtualized environments, push for network automation, and use APIs for smarter network management. It's what separates a good network admin from a great one.
That makes sense. So once you have this core certification, how does it open the door to the bigger leagues, like the full CCNP or even CCIE?
Passing that Cisco ENCOR 350-401 exam is the foundational step. From there, you just need to pass one of the 6 specialized concentration exams to earn your full CCNP Enterprise certification. And if your goal is the CCIE, whether in infrastructure or wireless, passing ENCOR gets you qualified to take the final lab exam.
So the ENCOR exam isn't just an endpoint, it's really the main gateway.
Precisely. It's not just an isolated specialist certification, it's the mandatory backbone for Cisco's higher-level enterprise tracks. It provides a very clear and structured advancement path for any network engineer's career.
Okay, so we have the path laid out. But let's talk about the destination. Looking ahead to 2025, is getting a CCNP Enterprise certification still truly worth the effort?
Without a doubt, the CCNP Enterprise certification remains incredibly valuable because it's a clear signal to employers that you have proven skills in configuring and managing complex, large-scale enterprise networks. To get there, you choose your concentration, then dive deep into studying and hands-on practice with labs and specific training.
So it's more than just a piece of paper, it's a validation of real-world capability.
I think that's the perfect way to put it. It's a formal recognition of your ability to solve complex problems in the kind of network environments that power modern business. In our hyper-connected world, that skill is indispensable.
Daniel, here's a question I've been thinking about. With automation and AI becoming so prevalent, why is a certification like CCNP Enterprise, which requires so much manual learning, still considered so valuable? Where is its core worth?
That's a fantastic question. I think the key is that while AI and automation are powerful tools for efficiency, they don't replace the deep foundational understanding of how networks actually work. The CCNP Enterprise proves you have that understanding. It demands that you not only know how to use the tools, but why they work, and how to design, deploy, and troubleshoot complex systems when the tools fall short. It's a form of human-machine collaborative intelligence that AI, for now, simply can't replicate.
So a deep understanding and the ability to apply it are still the ultimate currency. That really clarifies its value.
Absolutely. And when you boil it all down, the SPOTO approach is really about a few key things. First, their accelerated training gets you certified in just 6 days, including the ENCOR exam. Second, the course is packed with the essential enterprise tech you need right now, like SD access and virtualization. Third, passing that ENCOR exam is your direct path to the full CCNP and sets the stage for the CCIE. And finally, yes, the CCNP Enterprise certification is still a highly valuable asset in 2025, proving you have the critical skills to manage the networks of the future. It truly is a fast track to leveling up your career.